Hey everybody, how you doing? AmpRepairGuy.com here, 203-892-4119. So we have the Ameritron Al-811h in for repair. Noticed a few things here. So again, I cut myself earlier. This is not installed properly. This should be moved back. And these screws should go through these two holes, so move that back, bend these forward, straighten it all out. Looks like the guy said he just bought this not too long ago. Look, it has a cold solder joint right here at the board, and it's also completely unsoldered from the coil right here, as you can see. Yeah, the tubes, one of the tubes he said had flashed. He said he got it like this. That's the meter protection diode. It's like the board's been boogered up, so I'll clean that up. I'll replace it, replace that safety diode. The air variable capacitor was damaged, as you can see over there. See the plate. So I'll replace that, and I'll check everything else over. He ordered a new set of tubes from Penta Laboratories, awesome company. So I'm gonna get to work, then I'll be back. Hey everybody, how you doing? AmpRepairGuy.com. Sorry I've been super busy here. I'm also building a power supply for a tube amp, so I got another Al-811h here. That's separate. So this thing had a lot of problems. He said he purchased it new, had all these issues, so I went ahead and went through it and fixed it. So the tap was totally unsoldered from the coil. The trace was damaged here on the board, so I scraped it back, fixed the trace, soldered the coil. It's the old air variable. As you can see, plates damaged. This was on the plate side. Plates over here. It's hard to see. They're right there. And then over here. So change that. Put this in the right spot. Moved it over a little bit. I retuned all the coils. Tightened up all the grid connections. Replaced the meter diode. I cleaned that up the best I could. Over here, the foil was pulled back, so I pushed it back, soldered it there, and jumped over to there to the 3 points. So, checked everything else. The set screws were like loose. They weren't even connected to the plate tune side, and then this side was like super loose and ended up just starting to slip. So the load side's nice and tight, plate side's nice and tight. This had to be resoldered right here where the plate blockers connect. So now it's good. Made in 9/21, so now this thing's ready to rock and roll. This full output on all bands. Replace the tubes with tubes from Penta Labs. Great tubes. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. 203-892-4119.